Shark HV322 Rocket DeluxePro Ultra Light Upright Corded Stick Vacuum. The ultra-lightweight upright vacuum easily converts into a hand vacuum for versatile floor-to-ceiling cleaning. It's equipped with advanced swivel steering, LED headlights to reveal debris, and has an XL capacity dust cup. It comes with the Duster Crevice Tool, which gives you extended reach into small spaces and the ability to clean a multitude of surfaces. And the Pet Multi-Tool, for capturing embedded pet hair on all surfaces. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Deep clean carpets, powerful suction on floors. Tackle embedded dirt and debris on thick carpets, or easily switch to hard floor mode for incredible multi-surface cleaning. Number 2. Converts to a hand vacuum. Easily detach the lightweight handheld vacuum to clean stairs, furniture, and more. Number 3. Under furniture reach. A low-profile nozzle and lightweight design make reaching under furniture effortless. Number 4. Find hidden messes. LED headlights to illuminate hidden debris in corners, under furniture, and anywhere around the home. Number 5. Quick emptying with a removable dust cup. You can empty quickly and get back to cleaning in a flash. Number 6. Effortless maneuverability. Easily avoid obstacles and furniture as you clean with advanced swivel steering. Number 7. Fingertip controls. Customize your cleaning from floors to thick carpets. Number 8. Removable dust cup. Easily remove the dust cup for quick emptying. Number 9. Streamlined design. Slim profile for under furniture reach. Number 10. Hand vacuum storage hook. For convenient storage, hang the hand vac from the base of the wand. Number 11. Advanced swivel steering. Easily maneuver around furniture and obstacles. Number 12. LED headlights. Illuminate hidden debris around your home. Number 13. No loss of suction. To clean bare floors, area rugs, or with accessories, slide the power switch to setting L, bare floor, small area rugs. Tilt the handle back while gently stepping on the floor nozzle. The brush rolls will spin slowly in this mode. To clean carpets, slide the power switch to setting LL, high pile carpets. Tilt the handle back while gently stepping on the floor nozzle. The brush rolls will spin quickly in this mode. Number 14. Powerful 2-in-1 vacuum deep cleans your carpets and hardwood floors. Number 15. Designed to clean everywhere with the included attachments. Rinse both with tap water until the water runs clean, then air dry completely and insert back into your vacuum. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.